So one of the books that I would recommend is this, which is Bhagavad-Gita. Don't see this as a book of religious content. See it as a book that can help you understand human behavior better. This is the book written by Napoleon Hill. It's a very famous and a very cheap book, I would say. You get it for 100-150 rupees. Amazing book to understand how to think or train your mind that you can become wealthy. Another book I recommend is Sapiens. It's a very popular book on history of mankind. It is an amazing book to read because history has a big role to play. In fact, as you start reading more, financial history will also become a very relevant topic. But to begin with, it is very important to understand human evolution. So I have this book written by Howard Marks. It's a very popular book, the most important thing. I would not just recommend reading this book, which should be your first book when you get started on the investing journey. You should also read memos of Howard Marks. These are freely available on Oak Tree Capital website. There you will see Howard Marks memos. Read those memos. He's been writing for years. So there would be 3-4 memos every year. And these are gems in investing. That is why I said that it's not relevant whether you have finance degree or not, but it is relevant to read these geniuses, what they talk about investing, how to think about investing. So most important thing by Howard Marks. Very amazing book by Benjamin Graham. This is not something which is taught in any academic version of things. So you have basically, if you're a finance person, you have to untrain yourself to train it in the right direction. And this is the book which Warren Buffett read at an age of 19, and he got intrigued by value investing and he went into that direction and created a fortune for himself and for others. So here is a book on essays of Warren Buffett. An alternative of this would be go on Berkshire Hathaway website and there are Warren Buffett's letters, memos. Read them year by year. It will take almost an year to complete this. This is a concise book. You can start with this and then go to the letters. Amazing book, how to think about investing, how to think about businesses, how to train yourself and become a better investor. Just like Intelligent Investor had a great impact on Warren Buffett, this is the other book that he read, had a great impact on Warren Buffett. This is on growth investing, how to think of companies in growth arena, which is relevant in today's context actually. Philip Fisher, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profit. Amazing book, must read. This is a biography of Charlie Munger, damn right. Must read. It really explores how the great investors think and their life in general. So here is a book, Financial Shenanigans by Howard Schultz. This is probably the best book written on financial shenanigans, which is basically accounting gimmicks, how to really understand and analyze financial statements. So this is a technical book, must read. This is the 3rd version. There are 2 more versions, worth reading all 3. Get into the habit of reading, start with basics, and as you get comfortable, increase your level of reading.